Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
A cough lasting over 3 weeks, worsening symptoms, or coughing up blood can signal serious lung problems. Chest pain, shortness of breath, fever, or weight loss along with cough means you should see a doctor promptly. Don't ignore these warning signs. Early diagnosis is crucial for effective treatment.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.